Alright, this is question 16c. We have sequence A and sequence B. Alright, and we are asked at what term would sequence A equal sequence B? Alright, at what term? Alright, when would they have the common value of n? Okay, if you've followed from 16a and b, we've already found the nth term for sequence A, which is 3n plus 2. Alright, so we would need to do that for sequence B. Alright, we need to do that for sequence B. And I'm happy we're doing this for sequence B because it's another method of finding the nth term now, okay? And I need you to pay attention to this. So let's find the nth term for sequence B. We'll first look at it and check the common difference. But the first thing you have to notice is that unlike sequence A that is going up, sequence B is going down in descending order. So from the biggest, then going down from there. So we check from 100 to 98, what's the difference? That's 2, right? 98 to 96, 2. So we're taking away 2 each time. So that way we start by writing a negative 2 times n. Alright? So like we did with the first one, the only difference is that here we're doing negative. The other one was positive, right? So negative 2 times n. So we check with the first term. N for the first term is 1, right? So negative 2 times 1 is going to give us a negative 2. So what do we add this to give us 100? All right? Or basically, what are you going to subtract 2 from? What are you taking away 2 from to get 100? And that should be 102, right? 102 minus 2 should give you 100. So the nth term for sequence B will be 102 minus 2n. We can confirm with the second sample. So if you have n as 2, for the second term rather, 2 times 2 is 4. 102 minus 4 give you 98. So that is the nth term. Alright, so now that we have the nth term for sequence B, alright, this is for sequence B, and we also know that the nth term for sequence A is 3n plus 2. For us to know at what particular term the sequence A and sequence B will be equal, we have to equate the two nth term. Alright, this A is 3n plus 2. So we equate that and then we'll find the value of n. So we're doing 3n plus 2 equals 102 minus 2n. So it is at this n that the two sequences will be equal. So what are we going to do? For us to take this 2n to this other side, we can add 2n to both sides. So we'll do plus 2n, and then here we also do plus 2n. So minus 2n plus 2n cancels out, and then 3n plus 2n is 5n. Alright, plus 2 equals to 102. Okay, we can also take away this 2 from both sides. So we do minus 2 and minus 2. So 2 minus 2 cancel out, and then you have 5n equal to 102 minus 2 will be 100. And then the value of n, we have to divide both sides by 5, right? So that means the value of n is going to be 100 divided by 5. And n is 20. So it will be at the 20th term, all right, that the value will be equal. We can check that, but if you have solved your equation correctly, there will be no need to do that. All right. If you don't understand algebraic processes, I have an introduction to algebra course on my YouTube channel. You can check through, it's free, and just walk through it step by step, video by video, and I believe you get to understand all this stuff. All right? Okay. So go over the video again if you need to, and make sure speed and accuracy is ensured. Thank you. Bye.